Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix the audio problem in Microsoft Teams. Open your Microsoft Teams app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner. Select Settings from the menu. Tap on Calling and set it to Auto. Return to the home page by tapping on the home icon. Tap on Meet, then select Start Meeting. Allow Teams to record audio if prompted. Ensure your microphone is turned on. If it is off, tap on the microphone icon to enable it. Tap on More Join options and turn on the audio if it is off. Tap on Join Now to enter the meeting. During the meeting, tap on the three dots, then select Turn on Live Captions. Check that your internet connection is stable. Visit the Play Store and search for Microsoft Teams. Update the app if available, as this may resolve the issue. Go to your device settings, then tap on Apps. Scroll down and select Teams, then tap on Permissions. Ensure that your microphone is allowed while using the app. Return to the Teams app setting and tap on Storage. Clear the cache to potentially fix the problem. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve audio issues in Microsoft Teams on your mobile device. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.